Hi, and welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling uh, video. So we're just going to do a simple leg. This is a side profile. We're going to try to figure out how to make this all work out. So yeah, let's get started. All right, let's delete our sphere, and we're going to add a cone. Then let's see, 90. We're gonna do 45. All right, and this way, like that. That's about the right angle. Then we're gonna add a sphere, made it a little smaller. Bring it right here. We're following the template of the leg, so just in case. That's pretty good. Okay. Validate. We're still in the front. All right. Then we're gonna add a small cylinder. Like that. Bring it down, make it smaller like that. All right, that's not too bad. And then we're just going to validate and duplicate that, and then we're going to turn it around. Make it a little smaller. Make this bigger. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna do the same. Duplicate. Oh. And we're gonna bring it down to the side. Make that a little smaller though. Like that. Then again, duplicate. While staying in the front profile. Lower that. Maybe make it like that. Okay. That's pretty good. All right. And then last part. Actually, we're going to leave that like that. Let's make this a little smaller. And bring this down just a bit like that. And same thing with this. Okay, that shape looks a little better overall. Okay, cool. And then we are gonna take everything and voxel merge, and we're gonna keep the resolution really down because we don't want too much. So just 100. Let's see, what is this? Ooh. Nah. Okay. And voxel merge. All right. We got our leg, and now let's smooth things out. Oh, smooth things out here. Let's voxel merge this again at 100, and we have to have symmetry on before we smooth things out. Let's just say it's happening to both sides, but that's the symmetries on the red plane, and we want the blue plane, the C plane. All right, take this off. All right, that's where we want it. Now, yeah, now there it is. All right. See how much better that looks? Okay. Okay, let's decrease the intensity a little bit here. Okay. Right, the front like that. We're gonna make this a bit smaller. Go to front, and we're gonna move here. Decrease the radius, maybe decrease the intensity too. Like that. It's not gonna be perfect, but that's fine. Try to keep yourself in the front plane. All right, there we are, and let's smooth things out more. There we All right, that is a nice leg. All right, let's do some moving here, decrease the radius. Oh, let's name it leg. All right, there we are. Like that. We need like a small little curve here, so that's good. And then bring this down like that. All right, we got a nice leg then. We could drag this, move this, see, increase radius here, and move this over here, so it's a little more proportional. But otherwise, we could have a nice leg. And as you can see, all around, it's pretty good. The way I did it, as you've seen me do, is I kind of made a simple design, and I kind of broke it down into pieces. Then I used some of the basic shapes to replicate it, and then I added them all together. I smooth things out, I do a little bit of movement, and that's how you get a decent leg from just a simple side profile of a picture. So hopefully that helps, and let's continue. So then we got this, right? And we need to make the little hoop thing right here. So something we can add is a cone. Bring this down. Oh, there it is. Okay. Rotate it. Right, we're gonna snap off that, and then we're gonna do this and bring it down like that, and then just adjust it a little more so that you get that nice hoof right there. Okay, we're also gonna what do you call it, add this here. So this is gonna be here, and then voxel merge. All right, now we're gonna smooth things out, and our resolution didn't really mess up things that badly. So, I mean, our voxel merge didn't mess up things that badly. All right, so let me get that. Bring this down, but decrease the radius. Oh, make sure your symmetry is still in the C plane. Okay. All right. And then we are going to add some clay. Well, subtract some clay, and then just right increase, decrease the radius by a lot. Okay, that's good. Let's smooth things out. front. We're gonna add a little cylinder. Bring it way down here. Make it smaller. And then we are gonna try to match it here, which is kind of what we want. All right, that's pretty good. Go to top view so we can see this better, and then bring it down like this so it's not bigger than this part right here. All right. That's good. Validate. Then we're gonna voxel merge this as well. Smooth things out. And we're gonna move this. Oh, sorry. Right. Right instead. Okay. Right, like this. Smooth things out. Oh, we're gonna move this too. And then smooth things out a little more. All right. Then maybe add some clay instead here. Oh, sub. Alright, let's smooth things out again, decrease the intensity. And there you have it, a decent hoof for like a reindeer or something like that. You could even like split this down the middle here with the clay to like, oh, sorry, to make it look a little more realistic. But that is entirely up to you. Okay. See, I got that nice. Okay, that's it for the leg. Hope you enjoyed it and hope that really helps with your, I guess, leg making process. Until next time, I'm just going to do some UV unwrapping and then